Well, we just got about 5 to 6 inches of heavy wet snow, and I just wanted to do a quick video with that poly that I installed at the bottom of my snowblower, and you can watch that in the previous video, and I'll link that at the end of this video. So I just wanted to show how it works. It does work really well, and this is my 2021 John Deere 2025R tractor with a 54-inch snowblower. So okay, let me get some video footage, and you can see the finished result. My iPad died on me as I was filming. The nice thing about the plastic on the bottom of the plow is it doesn't scratch up your driveway like the metal does. Let's see if I can get this. It really hasn't worn. Oh, I don't know if I can get this that bad. It's been holding up really good. Okay. Well, okay. I think I'm going to end the video here. Okay, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.